So this is the project. This is Baha top thing, beautiful, nice, vibrant pink color. I have also this one, the very light one, but I want to do this one with this lighter, beautiful application. My father have helped me already to cut this, and I gonna add this with glue, and I'm gonna moulure later on how I like it best. Look at that, the difference already. Voila! So this is the first start and it looks like this. We have this, we can maybe do something like this or not. If you can sew, then you can sew on this, but I think I will have trouble on my body, so you can also leave it like this and it needs to dry. And this is how it will look right now. And I have this part so I can that drape on here, but you will see that later.
Waar heb jij last van? Hij komt zo meteen, jullie gaan hem zien. Hij heet Tariq. Maar hij heet Tarek. Ik hecht waarde aan normen. Jij heet Tarek.
So I add the spikes. The applications was pretty hard because the size is uneven. So to make it look pretty, I try this one on this side. It's a little bit higher than this side. So I think if I have it on, it's not a problem. But I try it now like this, and I add some small details of spikes. So this is the idea, because this one was not a good one and I want to have a finished one, and I can have a harder trim, but that will be hurtful, and then I need to wear this over something and then I cannot do something over it. So I don't know if that is possible in general. So this is the process and I'm not gonna do this one.
Kijk, Wouter komt binnen. Reclamebureau heeft alles bij elkaar gezet wat technologiebedrijven op dit moment maken, wat je volgend jaar kan kopen. En daar ben jij geloof ik geweest.
Welcome from the future. Okay, now you think, huh? This look and this same type of video, this will also be in another video. But this is finally the top from a long time ago. I still couldn't wear it because, you know, I didn't have the occasion to wear it. But now I finally have it on. This is with a bodysuit. As you can see, the bodysuit is longer, but I cannot show you right now. It's like this if I show you more, but I don't want to ruin a bodysuit. But what you can see, the application from this part, but you have the pink part on the side where there's that fluffy ruffles going on with the little spikes. But this is how it looks if I wear it with an open bodysuit like this, for example. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. Hope you like it. So something similar you can make. And I think belly dancers can... Yeah, you can belly dance with it as well. Parties, why not? I'm going to a concert, but I'm not afraid to look very extravagant no matter what. I'm going really, I have really my own style for, you know, if I'm just at home, but also if I go away, so. But you can make this, and this applique is so simple, but yet so beautiful.